You've probably all seen the viral orange cat videos on the internet. This type of content gets millions of views. For example, this channel has over 2 million followers and gets a lot of engagement by sharing these types of videos. When I looked at the comments, I noticed that many people were wondering how these videos were made, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly that, and by the end of this video you'll be able to create these types of videos yourself and make money from it. Without further ado, let's get started. As always, we'll need some images to create a video, so let's head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write us some prompts for our images. I gave ChatGPT this image and asked it to write me a prompt that included every detail in the visual. Then I asked it to create a few more prompts, keeping the details the same. I wanted it to create scenes where the cat is at the grocery store, riding its bike, cutting vegetables, cooking, and finally eating its food, so I could create consistent images. ChatGPT wrote me the prompts, and now it's time to create the images. I'm going to use Proclumen AI, which is the tool I always use to create the images, and it's free, so why not? To create an image with Proclumen, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Select the image size and image model, then select the amount of images you want to create and click the Create button. It won't always give the best result on the first try, so create more images with different models until you get the result you want. It's free after all, so you have nothing to lose. I think this image is really good. I am going to use this one. Now let's create our second image. Copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Proclumen's text box and click the Create button. Here's a great result on the first try. I will continue and create the third image by following the same steps. And these images look pretty good too. Let's create the last two images, again following the same steps. And these also look pretty good as well. Let's download the ones we like the most and move on to the next section. Now to create a video with these images, I am going to use Pixverse AI because even on the free plan it creates the video in less than a minute, unlike the other video generators that keeps you waiting for hours. To create a video, just upload your image and describe what is going on in the image. For example, I will write that the cat is picking some vegetables and click Create, and Pixverse AI will create a video in seconds. And this is the result. I think it is good enough. Now let's create the second video. Again, upload the image and write in the text box that the cat is riding a bike and click Create, and the result is great on the first try. In fact, with Pixverse AI, you get great results every time. Now let's create the third video by following the same steps. Again, write in the text box that the cat is cutting some vegetables, and again the result is very good. I will create the remaining videos quickly by following the same steps and move on to the next step, thus I won't waste your time. The results are again great, and by the way, there is another video generator tool called Vidu AI. This tool also creates videos really fast. To create a video with this tool, upload your image and write your prompt right below the image and click Create. The result may not be as good as it is with Pixverse AI, but it is still free and creates videos quickly, so it could also be used as an alternative. Now that we have all our clips, let's download them and go to CapCut to edit the video and make it more interesting. Import all the clips into CapCut and drag and drop them onto the timeline and put them in order. I will use a copyright-free background music from CapCut Music Library to avoid getting copyright strikes. Then I will add some sound effects like cat sounds and apply them to all the clips. Then I will add appropriate and interesting sound effects to each scene. For example, in this scene I will use a bicycle sound effect. In the next scene I will add a cooking sound effect to enhance the atmosphere. Then in the scene I will add the sound of a cat eating to give the video a more natural and impressive feel. And finally, I will zoom in on each clip a little bit to remove this watermark, and that's it, no more watermark. And here is the finished version of the video. Once everything is done, export the video to save it to your device. Now the video is ready to be shared on any platform you want. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, subscribe to our channel for more similar content. Until next time, take care.